Nowadays, COVID-19 is no longer stranger to any of us. Everyone seems to be familiar with the effect of this pandemic which is to our economy. That is why we need the role of policymakers to flatten this pandemic in order to balance our economic activities and reduce the management risk. The best way to fix this issue is by eliminating this pandemic. So, policymakers should think on how to minimize the COVID-19 case in this country. There are two actions they can focus on in order to flatten this pandemic, which is by tightening the current COVID-19 standard operation procedure and spending more money on health sectors or services. If we are able to flatten the COVID-19, thus there will be no economic and risk management issues. As an example, revised SOP by the State Disaster Management Committee (SDMC) by prohibiting interstate travel unless with a police permit might reduce the COVID-19 transmission. A strict SOP will block the current COVID-19 transmissions, and this will reduce daily cases for this country. If this happens, indirectly it's much more easier for us to raise our economy. Policymakers should spend more money on health sectors or services. For example, spending on health sectors such as hospital and hospice. Hospital facilities helps to add on the number of COVID-19 patients. However, having a hospice facility is much better because it helps to minimize COVID-19 transmission by treating patients at their home. Successful in curing COVID-19 pandemic is success on solving the main problems, so it will automatically cure the negative side effect, which is economic issue and risk management. In addition, spending more money on health sectors or services is one of the long-term investments. Healthy community will reduce family burdens and contribute to national growth (GDP). According to OECD Observer, a good healthcare system ensures a strong economy. In fact, their study showed that near 10% increase in life expectancy ensures an economic growth of around 0.4% per year. Even the research held by Biju Raghupati and Yulianur Raghupati showed that spending in personal healthcare have a negative relationship with purchasing goods. However, it is a vice versa for economic performance when it runs for a long term. Taking care of current state of personal health will lead to strengthen human capital and help improve the productivity, thereby contributing to economic performance. In some ways that I have explained, I believe that tightening the current COVID-19 SOP and spending more money on health sectors or services can balance the economic activities and reduce the risk of management. And this way also will help to flatten COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you.